All right, number 9. 5 6 times 6. Now, first thing, we have to write 6 as a fraction. So remember, when I write 6 as a fraction, it's 6 over 1. So I have 5 6 times 6 over 1. Now, you multiply straight across, or you can do the shortcut. We'll do that in a second. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Or I could have cross-simplified. Look at the 6's. See the diagonals? If I put 6 and 6 in a sled, what can I pull out? I can pull out a factor of 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 6 divided by 6 was 1. 6 divided by 6 was 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. So 5 over 1 is 5. You'll get the same exact answer. So 5 6 times 6 is 5.